Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I'm here with beautiful Slavic. We're matching red for Bitcoin's price at the moment.
Like a real couple.
And we've got another bet, another $1,000 bet.
Yes.
We already did the handshake.
And this is shit. We should bet 10,000 even, but let's do 1,000 because I know I will win this time again.
But now if you lose, you owe me 2,000.
Yes, but if I win, I don't owe you anything.
Yes.
And then I still win off this previous one.
Which
Our
one?
first bet, which I won. You remember? $500. The very first bet, $500 bet. The very
I can't
first
remember.
one.
But this bet is that Bitcoin doesn't go down below 26,500.
Yeah, you say it don't go below 26,500, and I say it will go below 26,500. And congratulations to Slavic that he already nearly won the bet.
And it's already, since we made the bet, Bitcoin dropped from 30,500, now sitting at 29,500. And in the comments section,
I'm in a short and you're in a long.
I'm in the long, yeah.
Yes, and I'm
My
in a
long
short.
was $700 in the profits, now in the negative.
I told you. Look.
His long is positive 673.
Yes.
Nice.
Amazing.
You can make that 1,000. Make sure you close it at 1,000. So then when I win, you can give me this 1,000. No, 2,000.
No, make sure that you make sure that
When you're profiting in 2,000, you got to close them to give me the money. Yeah. What do you guys think? Do you think Slavic's right, or do you think I'm right? Is Bitcoin going to drop below 26,500? I'm buying a lot of Bitcoin here. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. Bitcoin is having a drop here, but we're dropping more. But as long as we stay on this trend line, it's all good. I still think Bitcoin has bottomed, and I've been following the same kind of concept for the last 2 weeks. Bitcoin has been between these blue lines in this channel, from 28,500 to 31,000 to 28,500 to 31,000 to 28,500 to 30,700. Now we're sitting at 29,100. Let's see if it holds. We've also got this ascending trend line that Bitcoin's been going up. Let's see, it needs to hold where we're sitting right now to keep this trend line intact. But this is still an ascending wedge, which is not really a good sign. Ascending wedges usually break, ascending triangles, they break to the downside. So let's see if it can hold here on this trend line. Big amount of selling volume. I'm going to show you why I think this was manipulation. Someone sold a lot of Bitcoin here. RSI is heading down very strongly on the 4 hours. Stochastic is heading down more to drop. Squeeze mob was going to the green, now going again to the red. EMA ribbons, again, we get rejected off the EMA ribbons every time. And I'm going to show you why I think there's big manipulation happening right now. Crypto Guru bot still firing a sell, agreeing with Slavic. Bitcoin indicator bot, though, firing a buy. Let's go into the hourly, and this is why I think there's big manipulation. See the sell volume that happened that dropped Bitcoin from 30,400 down to 29,300. Look at this volume bar here. Look how much selling. They sold at that moment. It was sold 16,300 Bitcoin in that moment. And look previously when we had the big spike up here, 15,000 Bitcoin. And you can see here another buy, 13,000 Bitcoin. And you can see another sell, 15,000 Bitcoin. It's very, so for the last 2 weeks, I feel like we're getting manipulated like crazy between this channel. Someone is manipulating the price. They're selling the volume to drop it back to 28,500. They're buying it to go up from 28,500 to the 30,000. They're buying it here. They're selling it here. It's constantly happening. Almost every day, there's a big buy order and a big sell order for around the same amount of Bitcoin. Around 16,000 Bitcoin. Here on the 19th of May, on the 20th of May, each day. Here on the 18th of May, here on the 17th of May, here on the 16th of May. So they're just manipulating the price right now, and it's in that channel. I still think the big bottom was here when we had all this capitulation, all this fear, UST destabilizing, USDT destabilizing, all this panic in the stock markets. Stochastic is oversold on the 4 hourly. RSI has more to drop, but headed down very quick. Squeeze mob going to the red side. Let's see if Bitcoin, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if Bitcoin can stand here. I went long here, so I added a long at around 29,000. I'm going, and I've been buying Bitcoin down around this area. My lowest buy was around here, 27,500. I'm going to show you my trades. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, and Slavic also, you can see down below, there's a Bybit link in the description and the pinned comment. If you sign up, you get 8,200 USD worth of bonuses, 4,600 from Bybit when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin. The link's in the description, pinned comment. NordVPN if you have any restrictions. When you sign up to Bybit, that's where I'm trading. It's got low fees. It's never been hacked. It's one of the biggest exchanges. I like Bybit and I use it most of the time. I'm going to show you my Bybit account. In here now, my Bybit account, I have $188,000. It's dropped a bit because Bitcoin pulling down, CRV down 4%, Bit down 1.6%, Bitcoin down 3%, Bitcoin pulling down the market again. And my trade was positive 700, now it's negative 190. Bitcoin, it did drop. This is a $25,000 trade now with 5x leverage. I'm still adding to the longs. My average price now is 29,500. So let's see if Bitcoin can hold the price here. It's dropping even more as I'm making this video, but I still think the bottom's in, and I'm going to be buying Bitcoin. Over on Binance account, I have 399,000. It made 12,000 yesterday, and it lost around 7,000 today. In here, I've got BNB, $93,000 worth, and I've got 4 Bitcoin in here, $116,000 worth of Bitcoin in here. Total in the account is 399,666. The last 2 weeks, the accounts have been pretty much just staying even as Bitcoin fluctuates around and it's bouncing. So again, if you want to trade using those Bybit links, I still think we're bottomed out, so I'm going to be adding Bitcoin every time it panics down. My order for Bitcoin, I'm going to buy another order at 28,500. I'll add more to Bitcoin. If it does break and go lower, I will add down to Bitcoin. I'll lose the 1,000 to Slavic, but I'll be adding down. But I do think the bottom is in. My personal opinion, and this is what I'm doing with my money. You have to always do your own due diligence. Remember that. I'm just showing you what I do with my money. But say Bitcoin drops further, 19,000, I'll be buying more. 25,000, I'll be buying more. Even if I lose 1,000 to Slavic, I'll be buying millions of Bitcoin.
Not even. You will lose 1,000 to me, and then you buy more Bitcoin.
Remember the last bet, I won that 1,000. Let's see if it's 2 times in a row. Let's keep racking it up.
What?
Till I get 1 whole Bitcoin from all the times.
Yeah.
I also bought some NFTs just now. I'm going to show you as well. So I minted a Magicraft NFT. The reveal will happen 48 hours after the public sale ends. It's 0.75 BNB, which is around $200 something. I minted Magicraft. You can go to magicraft.io to follow that. And I also minted a Web3. It's called sonsofcrypto.com. It's a Web3 wallet, a decentralized wallet where the 1% fee, like MetaMask, is split between the owners of the wallet. Check it out. It's called sonsofcrypto.com. I'm not paid for this or anything. This is I minted 2 of these wallets because I really think one of the biggest projects in the space is MetaMask. And if someone can make a good competitor, and this is a decentralized MetaMask where the owners of the wallets get the tokens and get the profits of the transactions. So I think it could be an awesome project. So I minted one of those. I'm also going to show you, this is the Magicraft team building epic stuff. And yeah, that's what I'm doing in the markets. Those are the NFTs I minted. Hit the subscribe button, join 74,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.